This is the aseptic technique exercise. What we have in front of us is an inoculating loop. We have a culture loop that contains bacteria, which is this stuff right here. And then we have a slant media. Then the next thing that we have is a Bunsen burner. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to turn on the Bunsen burner. And then I already have my inoculating loop turned at a 45-degree angle downwards, making it 135 degrees. So what we're going to do is we're going to sterilize this loop. We're going to run it over the Bunsen burner. So we're running it over. And then we are going to also sterilize the tips of these. So I'm going to take off the caps. And then the way that I'm going to do this is I'm going to angle this as if it were in my hand. It's going to be in a V shape. Then I'm going to grab, these are both in my hand. And then I'm going to run these over the Bunsen burner, just the tips, at an angle to just get it. And then I'm still holding it, but as I'm holding it with my other hand, I'm going to grab the inoculating loop. And then I'm going to place it into the culture tube with the bacteria and gathering it. And then I'm going to place it into the slant media. Placing it in there and just like rub it on there. And then I'm going to go ahead and sterilize the tip, and then I'm going to put this away from there. Then the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to grab these are still in my hand, but right here I'm grabbing them, and then I'm going to also sterilize the tips while they're at an angle in my hand before placing the caps back on. And then I'm going to place them down. So just imagine the caps are on. And I'm going to place them down back on the rack. And then I'm going to turn the Bunsen burner off. And we are done.